When it comes to efficient waste management for your construction or renovation projects, look no further than Silver Creek Rentals. We provide top-notch dumpster rental services to streamline your project and keep your site clean. Choose from a range of our durable dumpsters, ideally suited for projects of all sizes. Our dumpsters are designed for ease of use, making waste disposal a breeze for your team. We understand that time is money in the construction business. That's why we offer reliable, on-time delivery and pickup services. Select the right dumpster size, choose your delivery date, and leave the rest to us. Count on us to keep your project on schedule and your worksite organized. Our dedicated customer support team is here to answer your questions and ensure a seamless experience from start to finish. We take pride in providing exceptional service, so you can focus on what you do best. Booking your dumpster is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Visit our website at www.silvercreekrentals.com or call us at 270-221-8600. Choose Silver Creek Rentals for all your dumpster rental needs, and experience the difference.